Your brain is your biggest enemy in trading. You might think that you have everything figured out, but once you go to live funds, everything falls apart. This is why mastering psychology is imperative. Today I will show you how your brain makes you win or lose and exactly how to avoid making these mistakes. First off, you have to understand how your brain affects your trading. There are four main regions of your brain involved in this. The first region is the amygdala, which triggers panic, fear, and stress responses. There's the nucleus accumbens, which sparks up dopamine during winning streaks. Obviously that's not good. There's the insula, which senses risk. And then there's the prefrontal cortex, which obviously manages rational thinking, but this can shut down during heavy fatigue or stress. Now there are three main ways to avoid being affected by your brain. Most importantly is having a strict set of rules. Always set your stop loss, use good risk management, and never go against your plan. The second way is to accept the fact that you're always going to have losses. Once you get this in your head, those little losses won't matter anymore. Lastly, if you're struggling mentally, just take a break. The markets will be there tomorrow or next week. If you enjoyed this video, make sure to like and subscribe and get my free ultimate trading guide down in the description below. See you guys in the next one.